Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you a Blogger tutorial for beginners. So first things first, visit blogger.com and you will land on website right here. Now this blogger.com is powered by Google and it is a free platform to create your own blog and get started. You can also make money with blogger.com. It is very easy to use blog that you can create for free. So first of all, once you get to blogger.com, you will need to sign in or sign up. Well, if you have a Google account, then you can just simply sign in with your Google account and you will get your own account. Now, this blogger.com has a lot of beautiful designs. You can choose different templates available. You can even get your own domain and you will also get paid for your hard work. So, let's actually get into it. So, here I will simply sign in to my blogger.com. So, after the initial sign up or sign in to your blogger.com, this is the dashboard where you will land. Now, with blogger.com, we can create more than one blog. From here, it's time to create your own blog. So click on New Blog on the left panel and a setup window will appear. So first, choose a title. This will be the name of your blog, something simple yet catchy. And once done, click on Next. And after that, pick a unique URL. This will be your blog's web address, so make sure it's something easy to remember. If your first choice is unavailable, try slight variations or add numbers until you find an available one. And once you've got it, click on Save. And just like that, your new blog is officially created. With your blog set up, let's take a moment to explore the Blogger dashboard. Now, this is where you can create new posts, track your blog stats, manage comments, set up monetization, and even customize your blog's pages and layout. Everything you need is right here, waiting for you to experiment. Now comes the fun part, choosing a theme. So click on Themes from the left menu and browse through a variety of templates, whether you are into food blogging, travel writing, business insights, or beautiful tips. There is a design that fits your style. And once you find the one that suits your blog's personality, click on Apply, and there you go. And now your blog has a fresh look. Refresh the page, and you will see changes instantly. With the design in place, it's time to create your first blog post. So, on your main dashboard screen, click on New Post and start by giving your post a title, then dive into writing your content. You can use the formatting tools to style your text. You can add images, videos, insert links, and even label your post for better organization. And if you want to add image, simply click on Insert Image from the toolbar and you can select an image from your computer and upload it. Once you're happy with the final look, click on Preview to see how it appears. And if everything looks good, then click on Publish. And with that, your first blog post is live. Now go ahead and refresh your blog to see your published post displayed beautifully. From here, you can keep adding more posts, sharing your ideas, and building your blog into something amazing. And if you ever want to tweak the look and feel of your blog further, the layout section is your go to spot. Here you can customize sidebar widgets. Here you can adjust the header and footer sections. You can organize your page list and even fine tune ad placements if you plan on monetizing your blog. And once you're satisfied, do not forget to click on Save to apply your changes. And if you feel like you want to change something about the appearance of your blog, then again, just go to Themes. And in Themes, you can customize, you can also restore, backup, or you can change the HTML. Click on Customize. Here you can change the background image. And once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Save. And with that, the changes will be saved. So on the dashboard, you will see other things like stats. So here the stats will show the different followers, posts, comments, and views. So you can see these are all the stats for the blog that I have created now. And then we have comments, and this is where you will be able to check them separately, all the comments that you have got. Now the next option is earnings. Now to get your earnings, here you have to connect your AdSense to make money with the different views. So you can make money easily on blogger.com, and that is why it is one of the best choices out there because you will be directly making money with AdSense. And you will also have to meet different criterias such as post 10 blogs first and have active members. And then next we have pages. So this allows to create and manage different pages of my blog that I have created. Last but not the least, we have settings at the bottom. So click on settings and you will get your descriptions, privacy options, publishing. Then we have HTTPS permissions, post comments, email. Then we have fitting meta tags and more options. So blogger.com is all in one platform that gives you the access to create a high quality professional blog for free and make money with AdSense. So you can go ahead and check it out right now. And that's all for today's video.